Building language during daily living skills. Let's talk about using the microwave. Why do we use a microwave? You can use the microwave to defrost, cook, and reheat foods and drinks. You can also use the microwave to make popcorn and potatoes. What are the steps to using the microwave? First, look at the directions on the food. Find a microwave-safe dish. If it's a frozen meal, you may be able to use the container it comes in. Look at the directions to find out how much time you should microwave the food. If you are reheating, you may only choose 30 seconds at a time. You can press off when you want to stop the microwave. If you are making a specific food, you can also choose that button. Let's talk about safety and the microwave. Don't stand in front of microwave when it's on. Do not put aluminum foil, stainless steel, or silverware in the microwave. Use an oven mitt when taking out hot items. This can prevent you from getting burned. Which is microwave safe? What do you use to take a hot food out of the microwave? What temperature will the food or drink be after being heated? Be careful when putting plastic in the microwave. Make sure that it is microwave safe. Key words to learn: microwave, heat, reheat, defrost, hot, safety, plastic, silverware, cook, steam, oven mitt, aluminum foil, microwave safe, directions, stainless steel.